Displaying my Hot Wheels collection, or what is left of it, is a very difficult task for me, as I've actually tried different ways over the years, finally settling on this, which I'm very satisfied on. And today, let's talk about it. So originally I was following a method I found on YouTube that involved the use of blue tack and sticking your models on some wall, or in my case was a side of a shelf. But unfortunately I found that the blue tack didn't last long. It left residue on the back of the blister. This is not a very good example. There you go. There's a very faint residue left by the blue tack. And the last problem with the blue tack was it was very difficult to pull a car out. Say if I'm like the car just pulled out there. So you may ask, how did I do this? Well, I use thumbtacks. Now you may think, wait, what? You thumbtack the blister to the board? No, I thumbtacked into the board. I'm using the blister and I'm hooking it on the thumbtack. And it may deform the blister's flatness over time, but overall I'm very satisfied with this method because it allows me to take whatever car I want very quickly from wherever I want. So for example, look at this car, I just remove it very easily, and to put it back, it does require a bit of finding where the hell the hook is, but there you go, not so difficult now. And this thing does collect dust, and it does get quite dusty over the time, and you can easily wipe it, as you can put a bit of force on the blister as it's securely hooked on, unlike blue tack where you may put a bit of force to wipe up the top of the blister and the whole thing will just fall down. Furthermore, it's easier to move this. For example, this is thumbtacks on a plank of wood. I can easily move the whole plank of wood and all the cars to a different location, different room, a different venue very efficiently and very quickly. And yeah, this is my showcase of how I display my carded cars. Also, do note at the top, I do have a bit of a special display with different brands, so Hot Wheels, Matchbox, slightly newer Matchbox, Majorette. Here's a Corgi Racer, one of my earlier videos, and a YLT diecast car from a Tesco supermarket. Thanks for watching.